Good morning, everyone. It's I don't know what is the time. Let's see. देखता है कितना है time. It's 6:40 in the morning. We have two people on my. I have two people on my back, two people on my front. Extremely cold. Probably below 20 or something. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Handlebar Explorer. Let's see you on the ride. So yeah, today we are going a different side. Brahmaputra River Bank के साइड जा रहे हैं तो देखते हैं. Apparently two of the guys are already there. Basically our ride time has been changed and they probably did not read the notification clearly. So yeah, so we are going this route airport के साइड से. Yeah, we'll continue. किसी रेसिडेंशियल एरिया पे घुसे हैं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा किधर जा रहा है because I don't know the route. Oh, अरे हिन्ना हल्लो आमी तुम्ही आहा दिनाখন अरे तुम्ही तो মানে এইটো কি আৰু তোমাৰ আনএক্সপেক্টেডলি আহি গলা প্লাছ তুমি কাক কণ্টেক্ট কৰিছিলা ৰামক কণ্টেক্ট কৰিছিলা হি নাহিলে হিন্না তো সেইকাৰণে ফ্লপ মাৰি দিলে তাৰমানে তো যিমানে মানুহ বেছি হয় সিমানে মানে জমে আৰু কিন্তু আজিতো ছুটিয়ে হ'ব চাগে আজিতো বেছি লম্বা নহয় बट लेट्स सी कितना लंबा होता है कहाँ निकलता है. इधर से जा रहा है भाई, मेरे को तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो हम राइट मार लेंगे, लेफ्ट मार लेंगे. ओए मुरली शिट. ओके तू पर इफाले ना पाए. तो वी आर गोइंग स्ट्रेट. 15 किलोमीटर हो गया, अभी ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ. सो सीधे जाएंगे तो ब्रह्मपुत्र पार मिलेगा. रिवर बैंक. आई थिंक सिंस इट्स विंटर इट्स गोइंग टू बी एम्प्टी. आई हैवंट कम हियर in about 2 months I guess. So yeah, just coming with the boys. There are few dogs on the street. It's fucking cold right now. पीछे में है लोग और आगे में कुत्ता है. आई लव ब्रह्मपुत्र निके. तो दिस द रिवर बैंक. अभी ये पूरा स्ट्रेच रिवर बैंक का है बट या वी आर प्रोबेबली गोइंग डाउन. के हो जाओ रो আগফালে আহিছে গাড়ী, পিছফালে আহিছে গাড়ী. ঐ এইফালে নহ'ব, পিছ ব্ৰেকটো লাগে. আগ ব্ৰেকটো ডেঞ্জাৰাছ হৈ যাব নহ'লে. এই পুৰা পিছ ব্ৰেকটো লাগে মোক. আগ ব্ৰেকটো হ'লে ডেঞ্জাৰাছ হৈ যাব কথাটো. আছে দুইটা আছে ফুল. অঁ আমাৰ হিৰো ৰেডি হৈছে, মিউজিক ভিডিঅ' বনাব ইয়াতে. ইউ ঠাণ্ডা বহুত হে ঠাণ্ডা. অঁ পটকৈ হৈ গৈছে কিন্তু পানী বহুত দৌৰিলে আছিলে বাছ. তো yeah, it was very bloody rainy until like last few months. September end तक तो बारिश दे रहा था but yeah I can see it's already pretty barren. Like the shore is like expanding and it's probably going to go up till that point if you can see. I don't know if you can see but yeah वहाँ तक पहुँचेगा. We are still waiting for 2 other guys but they probably already did a lot. So yeah, we're gonna click some photos and shit. Okay, so we're gonna leave now I guess. Click some photos and shit. कॉल आए हुए से. Good morning. पूरा एकदम रेडी होके. और कॉल के दो. सब ठीक. Good morning. अरे मैं पूरा ऐसा सोता है ना, मेरा बस मेरा हिलता ही नहीं फोन. ये इसके साथ मैंने जाने वाला था ना सुबह. अच्छा आप लोग तो आधे से निकलने वाले थे. मैं इसके साथ जाने वाला था. आप बोला था ना कुणाल को फोन किया, उठाया नहीं. हाँ आप ही तो बोल रहे थे जो जालूबाड़ी से ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. 3:30 बजे सुबह को उठना चाहिए था. मैं रात को सोया 2 बजे. हाँ 1-2 बजे सोते वैसे. मैं बोला चलो ठीक है. और नहीं उठा है ठीक है 325 को जगह है। फोन ऑफ करके वो सोचा कि यार चलो ठीक है 15 मिनट फिर से सो लेता है, रात को नींद कम हुआ है तो आराम से चला पाएगा। 50 किलोमीटर है ना, 50-60 किलोमीटर हो जाएगा रफली। सोचा ठीक है 15 मिनट सो लेता है। ये जी विश्वनाथ नामीशु 10:30 बजे उठा है, और नहीं 7:30 बजे उठा है। फिर इसको मैसेज करता है मैं अभी जगह हो गया।
वहाँ से देखना कि आ भी रहे कि कहीं टाइम लगा,
इससे भी नहीं आएगा। Okay, so we met more people. Ram bhai making videos, and we are going a different way. I mean, yeah, we rode that road before. So, oi, रास्ता खराब है भाई। आगे का ब्रेक is risky, but yeah. So I rode that road couple of times with group alone, and the guys at the front, those are from the city. Basically city is like 22-27 kilometers away. They came from that part to like explore the places on a Sunday. Yeah, so we are going out with them. I mean, we are giving them company. Probably वो वाला टिनियाली पे कुछ ना कुछ खाएगा, ये लोग खाएगा, मैं probably नहीं खाएगा because I'm kind of having like stomach issues. गैस का प्रॉब्लम है या कुछ है पता नहीं, even though I haven't had anything outside. But yeah, basically we came out from there and we are going straight. It's going to be about like another, अभी कितना 18 किलोमीटर हो गया, so it's going to be about like another 25 kilometer or something like that. Could be a little bit more, maybe 30 kilometer, let's say 50 रफली हो ही जाएगा। मैं घर पहुँचते 50-55 कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाएगा। 21 kilometers done. अभी जहाँ से निकलेगा द प्लेस इज कॉल्ड मिर्ज़ा। पीछे है राम बाबू। रोड्स आर प्रीटी गुड हियर। We want to go from the middle, but yeah, damn, it's still freaking cold. 8 बज गया होगा अभी तक, but yeah, it's still very cold. Sok, Mirza Bazaar, and up ahead is somewhere the DK college, I think. और इन लोग को पीना है चाय, Oh yeah, this is the famous DK कॉलेज। कुछ एग्ज़ाम प्रोग्राम भी चल रहा होगा। हम निकल लेते हैं साइड से। पागल हो गया, मिड राइट अड्डा। अड्डा चली से अड्डा। सब लोग आगे जाते हुए एंड फॉलोइंग 32 किलोमीटर डन एट द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ 19.3 एंड या टोटल घर पहुँचते 50 ही हो जाएगा प्रोबेबली, और मे बी नॉट, आई डोंट नो, बट लेट्स सी। रिमेंबर दिस प्लेस फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट व्लॉग, if you can see on my back or in my front. Remember I showed you this area before and that area before, so yeah. And also the other day, did we go that side straight? No, we did not go that straight yet, but we're gonna go someday. But yeah, we are probably hitting Decathlon right now. I'm only doing handheld today. It's pretty fucking cold actually. like very cold today. But also yeah, this part is actually particularly very cold. But yeah, new content coming up soon. I'm getting a lot of suggestions. I mean, not a lot of suggestions, but at least like few suggestions and stuff. So that is that. Year end is happening, so I don't know if this video is going to come out before year end or not. Most probably not, because I know the kind of content that I'm gonna post. I have about a couple of long rides to be done before it ends, before the year ends. So yeah, a lot of videos is going to be posted by February, and it's going to be cool. Keep supporting. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, do follow. Like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends who likes watching cycling videos and stuff. Product reviews and stuff are coming soon, so yeah, I'll drop links and stuff and you can buy from them if you really want. नीचे probably already दिया होगा, but फिर भी बोल रहा हूँ. Probably those videos are going to come before right now itself. Speed breaker, crazy speed breaker. So yeah, pretty much heading back right now. It's 9:15. Did 34 km at 19.4 speed. Pretty slow, but it's pretty fun. Too many people today. पीछे एक है, आगे दो है, और उसके आगे और दो है. So yeah, the dogs keep doing in the middle of the road. Like, it kind of doesn't make sense that they're kind of sniffing the road and trying to find food, even though they do get food here. It's not like they don't get food at all. But yeah, guys are at the back. किधर गया? हाँ, पीछे आ रहा है. So yeah, kids trying to cross the road. Probably tuition जा रहा है. Remember this tea state that we reached earlier on a previous video? Go watch the video if you haven't watched yet. But yeah, the area is still foggy, quite foggy, and it's about to be 9:30, even though like the traffic is pretty swift right now. Like, a lot of people are coming through this way because it's Sunday. The picnic season has started, so yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cold. Oh, these are the guys. They're coming. और आगे में दो है. So it's 36 right now. So by the time I reach Decathlon, it could be around 45, I guess. 10 kilometer तो है. Yeah, it will be about 45, I guess. 42 to 45, and then by the time I reach my home, it's going to be about 50. So yeah, okay distance, okay average. I don't know how the average is still up, but probably because there were no hills on the road, that's why it is like this, I guess. The guys, and look at the massive hill on my front. Pretty fucking massive. Remember on the last video, I mean not last video, probably episode 8. नहीं देखा तो जाके देख लो. We went through this way. Wait, not this way, the way on the front. Yeah, we went through this way. So let me know how you like the video. अब तो like Decathlon is like about 4 or 5 kilometers or something like that. there was a chuha dead on the freaking road. But yeah, Decathlon could be around 4-5 kilometers. So yeah, 42 या ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा Decathlon पहुँचते. So yeah, gotta go. But yeah, I think I should end the video right now itself. And there could be a little more surprise. Not sure yet if I add that part or not. If I carry my phone or my what is it called, the GoPro at that time. But yeah, let's see. Let's wait for the surprise and when it happens. So guys are far back behind और आगे में ये दोनों जा रहे हैं तो हम उनके पीछे पीछे जा रहे हैं. I'm on the middle. Probably going to stop at Decathlon and like get some water and stuff. That's about it.